Hi and welcome to my Playhouse. And today we have another random video from Portugal. I'm just in the middle of my breakfast. I've purchased muesli, mostly to celebrate that I have bought plates so that I didn't have to eat out of plastic. So both plates and silverware. And yeah, I'm slowly but steadily getting in place here in Portugal. In the background, the noisy thing over here is a dehumidifier. And yeah, I found out that it's very humid here, so it has been running for some time. Right now the humidity is at 69%. It was at 83 when it just started, so yeah, it has been doing that for quite a while. I am amazed of how well that works. It runs for some amount of time, and then the water holder is just full of pure water. So I'm not gonna drink it, but it's just pulling water out of the air, which I find rather fascinating. So today I'm gonna go to Cindy's place, where I'm hoping to meet up with some other YouTubers, and I think we're gonna be doing something for Cindy. So yeah, you're coming along. Okay, after good hours of driving, I'm now at Cindy's place. Even the little shoebox on wheels has made it. It has gotten a bit dirty here, mud. And there's hunters out, which they shouldn't be, apparently. It's Saturday and they should only be allowed Thursday morning and Sunday morning. Guess they don't know what date it is. So yeah. Cindy's pickies, it's a really bad day to escape from the pin, if they should be so stupid. But yeah, we are gonna be doing a little project for Cindy. She's gonna get a roof on her little toilet building around the back. And there's other YouTubers here, including Walter, who is there and not waving. And that is, how do you, Ian? How? Iwan. Okay. He is also a YouTuber and he has the channel Frankie Off Grid, I believe. And then Nick is here somewhere. Ah, they moved all the boards. Now I have to find some other way to be in the way. The big tools.
I've got a bigger tool.
So Cindy is getting, she's getting fancy. Now she wants a roof over her toilet. I don't know. The man just keeps climbing here. So Nick is letting Ian use his big boy tools.
Have you not seen it? Believe it or not, it's dead. Yeah. Okay.
What's gnome?
A kabouter.
Kabouter. Prikkenprak.
I don't know the prikkenprak part. That's...
Yeah, it's do you remember TV? So you must be the same
I
age.
remember TV.
You must be the same age as Raymond.
I'm 52.
Yeah, you're about the same age, yeah? So he said,
So we're putting up that roof for Cindy so that she can go to the bathroom and take a shower out of the rain. I don't know if that's beneficial, but I guess there's some plus sides to it. So it's absolutely wonderful here. Just look at the view here. We have not really been doing anything. Nick has been doing everything. So we've just been standing around. Yeah.
It's that couple of mil up that, a couple of inches up that probably do it, you know.
Ah, this wasn't that difficult to get up there. That was a very nice.
It looks a lot better.
That's good.
Yeah, fit.
Perfectly. That is actually that works out really, really well.
And so here looks like Morton needs to come
Tiny bit.
down a bit.
But is it? If we just move it a little bit,
Yeah.
a tiny bit more in, we should be good. Still a tiny bit, I think.
No, that's good.
Ah,
That's
interesting
good.
how the angle just screws it up completely.
So we need something there. Yeah, so you're going to have somewhere dry to do your business. So from the inside, get a bit of an echo now. It's becoming a room. So you'll have these opaque sheets. And as for headroom, I'll show you headroom.
So YouTubers filming YouTubers, awesome, right? This is going to be a surprise for Cindy next Friday, the day, well, 2 days before Christmas, the 23rd. She's gonna be getting this. So yeah, you're not gonna be seeing this before that. So yeah, no chance of anyone telling anyone. So yeah, apparently the dog is hungry over here. It's doing its part. Whatever part that is. This thing was in Lidl, and I of course bought it. I need to check if it's any good. It's not really doing much. It is doing a little bit.
What you've bought here, this is a dressing stone. Yeah.
Ah.
So if you've got an uneven surface, you go over it with this. Yeah, and it flattens it off.
Ah, so it's not for removing big parts.
Well, it can be, but
Okay.
for that you need more of a point, more of a chisel. These are just flat. These are tungsten carbide tips, just for dressing.
Okay. What do you use for undressing? So these pieces of metal were supposed to go on Cindy's roof, but Nick was so brilliant to leave the roofing nails or screws at home. The idea is that there's metal sheets and there's transparent sheets, so it's gonna be one of each, and then 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. But this is what we did on Cindy's bathroom. It's actually gonna be quite big. I don't think my bathroom is this big. So yeah, it's kind of dodgy. I don't think it will do any building standards, but yeah, it's gonna be a huge improvement. As Nick, he forgot the screws. They are gonna return here tomorrow and put the roof on. Sadly, I'm so far away that it's quite a drive to get here. So I'm gonna pass on this one. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Also meeting Ian from Frankie Off Grid, who's another popular YouTuber from around here, showing how they live off grid. Somebody says that Cindy might be drinking a little bit too much. I don't know. She's just not very good at getting rid of the evidence, I guess. Tandy is chasing sheeps, so she's gonna be tied to her doghouse at some point. Okay, but down here, let's visit our projects from last time. Down here is the solar panel that is, well, keeping the pigs in. Could just visit the piggies, see how they're doing. Here are some happy piggies. How do you do? Yeah, now they think that I'm gonna feed them. I'm not. But over here I'm told that now the solar panel is actually working and powering the electric fence. So now you guys have to stay in. So, yeah. So up here is Cindy's pond. Well, now it's a pond because I installed that solar panel up there for the pump system and see how well it has done. It totally filled up this pond in no time, and it's not even hooked up. It has been raining here in Portugal, you wouldn't believe how much. But yeah, I still have a project here that I should be working on, but well, it definitely says that it has power here. So we're at 14.3 volts, and the monster of a pump is right there. If anyone needs to pump some water, it's ready. When I installed this, it was bone dry and really warm, and now you can scoop the water out with a bucket if you want to. So yeah, cool. So I think I'm gonna end it here, make it a little bit of a short video here at Cindy's farm where we did some stuff, and the piggies are very unhappy that they are not getting any more food here, so it's too bad. Some of them are leaving tomorrow, going to the farm up north. Well, they actually are. So tonight we're going to a little stroll in Castelo Branco. I'm gonna go and see the Christmas market here. Again, I have been here once before, but then it was daytime and everything was kind of dull. Plus there wasn't a lot of people there at that point. So I was here anyway, so I found a free parking and I'm gonna go and see the lights. It is only Christmas once a year, right? Okay, a lot have changed. If this is the three wise men, well, I can tell you it's not that wise to be gambling. Yeah. Okay, I'm buying stuff here and I'm with another YouTuber. This is Molly from...
Pepper?
Yeah, the name that I never can pronounce. So, yeah, I'm buying stuff to bring home to Denmark. Well, except there's a salt and pepper set for my house because it didn't come with salt and pepper. So, but it's very enjoyable here.
Yes, it is, especially the Christmas lights.
And we have been enjoying them. So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.